Legends don't happen by accident. They're carefully crafted and tested through time. For 75 years, Peterbilt Motors Company has set the standard for quality, innovation, and performance. From the very beginning, Peterbilts were purpose-built, engineered to exceed a need and redefine expectations. Forged to take on the rugged forests of the Northwest in 1939, the vision and engineering expertise of T.A. Peterman spawned the first chassis to bear the Peterbilt name. The dual-drive, lightweight, all-steel cab Model 334, followed by the two-axle, chain-drive Model 260. The legend was born 75 years ago, and we haven't slowed down since. An American company answering the call of its country, Peterbilt helped in the war effort by providing military contractors with vehicles such as the dependable Model 364 during World War II. At the end of the decade, Peterbilt further defined its place in trucking with the Model 350, a perennial classic and one of the most popular trucks of its time. As the Peterbilt reputation for unsurpassed quality and unparalleled performance grew, so did their presence on highways throughout North America. The once regional truck manufacturer was now known coast to coast. The bubble-nosed cab-over-engine Model 350 became a familiar sight, as did the now iconic Peterbilt Red Oval. One of the most recognizable brand logos in the world today, the Oval debuted in 1953 and has adorned Peterbilt products ever since. The Model 351 was introduced in 1954 and would go on to enjoy the longest production run in the company's history. PACCAR, then called Pacific Car and Foundry, acquired Peterbilt in 1958, creating a synergy that would consistently set new industry standards in the decades ahead. With the 1960s came significant change for the country and for Peterbilt, changes that launched new legends. The company expanded its manufacturing capabilities, creating higher levels of craftsmanship and implementing new technologies. Lightweight and strong aluminum cabs became a Peterbilt trademark, starting with the 90-degree tilt Unilight Cab Model 352. With the introduction of the Model 358, the Peterbilt Bird first took flight, the signature hood ornament that soars above the red oval to this day. In 1967, Peterbilt styling redefined the image of both truck and trucker with the classic Model 359. The emotional bond between company and customer was more inseparable than ever. Trucking boomed in the 1970s and reached a new level of popularity in mainstream culture, led by the unmistakable styling and customers' passionate devotion for Peterbilt trucks and tractors. The company continued to refine its lineup with the introduction of the spacious walk-through sleeper and sloped fiberglass hoods, first engineered with the Model 348. Peterbilt made the Lone Star State its home during the 1980s. A new state-of-the-art manufacturing facility was built that ensured uncompromisable quality and advanced designs and technologies that revolutionized commercial vehicles. Peterbilt relocated its corporate offices, including engineering, to Denton, Texas, facilitating greater levels of efficiency and teamwork. In '86, Peterbilt introduced the successors, including the Model 379, which is still considered a trucking industry legend and the most popular owner-operated truck in history. To this day, it remains the dominant vehicle on the show truck circuit, winning more awards than any other. The 1990s opened new markets and new ways for Peterbilt to serve the industry. Rising customer demand for Peterbilt quality and performance outside of the company's traditional market segments resulted in innovative new models and business strategies. Peterbilt entered the medium-duty truck market with the introduction of the Model 330 in 1995. It set the stage for the company's continuing prominence in Class 6 and 7 markets, with versatile vehicles engineered with the legendary Peterbilt traits customers demanded. The Unibilt sleeper system was introduced for Peterbilt's on-highway conventional models, further boosting flexibility and resale value. In 1998, Peterbilt achieved the perfect combination of form and function with the Model 387, the first integrated cab and sleeper vehicle. Peterbilt's mission to exceed customer expectations and drive down their operating costs dominates development and design in the 2000s. With its leadership now established in the aerodynamic and medium-duty markets, Peterbilt pushed the possibilities even further. In 2005, the Model 386 was unveiled, the first product designated as environmentally friendly and fuel-efficient by the EPA. The PACCAR partnership continued to pay dividends as the parent company's global resources brought groundbreaking engine technology to Peterbilt products. A purpose-built U.S. manufacturing facility now produces the PACCAR MX-13 engine, bringing new levels of fuel efficiency, reliability, and performance. Aerodynamic design took another leap forward with the Model 587 in 2011, an integrated cab sleeper vehicle that quickly gained favor among both drivers and fleets. In 2012, Peterbilt launched its landmark Model 579. This all-new innovative truck brings Peterbilt styling, performance, quality, and value to unprecedented levels. The rugged vocational Model 567 followed in 2013, and job sites will never be the same. The Models 579 and 567 resulted in the company's most successful product debuts, a 1-2 succession that filled a wide range of customer, application, and market needs. These ground-up product designs are built for drivers, but with a bottom-line budget-mindedness that minimize fleet costs. Industry acceptance has exceeded even the company's high expectations, and these flagship products are capturing market share and taking customer satisfaction to historic levels. The past several years have been an unprecedented period of quality, investment, innovation, product introduction, and dealer network expansion for Peterbilt. For a company with so many milestones throughout its 75-year history, the future for Peterbilt and its customers looks brighter than ever before. The legend continues, and so does our commitment to being the class of the industry.